everyone, myself Lakshmi Nehra and you are heartily welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to, then welcome to my channel. As per the previous videos of mine, I have told you that I will upload a content about a website. So that was still in a hidden format, but right now I'm gonna reveal it. The website, this is not emotional video. Basically, let me clear you first thing. Second is this website I have searched, I have came to know about it, and it definitely will help you out. It helped me if I enrolled over there before, but no worries, it will help you as well. Now let's check out which website it is, and definitely it will help you out, so don't forget to register over there. It will actually what is there in the website. The website is made by a Canadian, a student which moved to Canada and like that. So the motive of the website is so that people can just get in contact with each other. If they know something, if they want to help someone, then they can go there and help them. Or if they want any kind of help, then they can just write their help over there, what they really want to, and then that is it. So it will be beneficial for you, not now then, but yes, afterwards it will be. And if you are planning to study abroad, if you want to travel, then you should have this application. It will surely help you a lot. You should download it before traveling. Like, I would suggest you 1 to 2 months prior to your travel, but if you don't have time, then still you can download now, and let's see what it can help. So now let's come to my computer screen so that I can show you that what's the website is. Do is just open your Google Chrome like this. I did. I'm using my official Gmail ID over here, and now let me keep it here, and you're gonna see it very nicely. So search here OA student, alright, and go. You will find this kind of portal over here. Basically this one, OA student community of students, like this one. Go and click it. As I told you, I have already registered, so I'm going to use my that one ID, but before that let me tell you how to register over here. So what you need to do is just click on this. As you can see, there is no IDs available right now over here, or I have not logged in. So let me tell you how to register first. Registration is quite easy. If you can see, there are some sections over here. First is username, second is first name, then last name, then email ID, password, and at the end confirm password. Now let me keep it here, and then you can see. First of all, username. Now let's write a username over here. Wait a second. Okay, username is something which is going to be the name of your this ID, right? So you can name username. Basically, I have used my Instagram name only, so I kept it over here the same. And your first name, my first name is Lakshmi, my last name is Nehra, so I kept it Nehra. Then your email ID, and at the end you can write your password, and later on confirm password, and then you need to do is register. Look guys, it can be possible that when you write a username, you will feel trouble, like you will not get exactly what you want to, like they'll not accept your username. It can be possible that, but that is okay. Make sure you're using when you will write a username. Let's go with some usernames. Basically I just mentioned the alphabets as well the symbols, so you should also try to add these kind of symbols. This is just a username, nothing else, and then you can register. But I already have an account, so let me do login. So you can see here's my login details, and let's go. I already did login, or I already have account, so I did login over here. Now you can see it's pretty convenient for this website. This is really nice. Interface is easy, so nothing to worry about. This is home section, which is already here. Network is the section where you will meet various people. Groups, here you can make groups. Programs, documents, means you can hang out over here and can search other features. But firstly, let me tell you about the network, which is quite important right now. Let's see the network. Network is this. Here students come and search out other students as well, and then came to know about more and like that. Now here, let me write down the details for which I am presently making this. Like, let me show you the others data as well. Firstly, here you can see this guy whose name is Shreyansh Shah, who is planning for ride. So its topic is ride here, and then you can see he needed any ride available from Brampton to Scarborough on 23rd of May, Sunday in the afternoon. Now he had shared also his Instagram ID where one can contact him if someone have the same scenario, or message him or share like that, or you can comment over here as well, and that's super easy. If you are meeting these requirements, then you can comment over here or can contact this person directly. And if you haven't got any people who have same requirement, then you can directly create your own post over here and you will be done with that. It is super easy. Now let me tell you another people post, which is about accommodation. You can see here about accommodation. This is posted by Aditya. Yeah. And here is about big room available for rent on individual or sharing basis. Now you can see the one who is traveling to another country, if that person received this kind of message or post or any data like that, then why they will lose this opportunity if it is convenient to that person. So in this way it will help you out, not only in accommodation and riding facilities, you can even find for the jobs, and the people who is over here or the person who is aware about it will surely contact you. Looking for security guard job in North York, this and downtown Toronto, any lead will be highly appreciated and thanks. You just need to share what you actually want and share your contact details by which people can contact you. She is Shivani Rajendra, and yeah, that's it. And okay, let's go downwards, and maybe there will something else for jobs, for accommodation, for travel partner. This is travel partner. This is what I really want to tell you. Presently, due to the quarantine quarantine and like that, the people are traveling, and for the traveling, if they want to do quarantine together, they want to save their funds and like that, then they should travel together as well in the same flight. Then the people here share their details so that if another person is comfortable with the same date and airlines, then they can join them, and later on they can plan their quarantine together or something like that. So it is pretty easier. So travel partner needed for mom, the person, the Bhav, who is just planning for her mother on 8th of July, Ahmedabad, Delhi, Toronto, Air Canada. If someone you know traveling, please help. The person is traveling first from Ahmedabad to Delhi and then Delhi to Toronto. It's pretty easy. Here they can contact this person from Instagram, from message, from call, or by other means, or they can directly message as well. Let me show other features as well of this. Like you can see over here, the person have shared, the topic is travel partner. This is about travel partner. If you are planning to travel, so this is Bhav again. Okay, this is someone else, sorry. Yeah, this one. This is Archit Patel. This is for again travel partner he wants, and looking for travel partner and quarantine partner as well. Now you can see the which I want to share. This is looking a travel or a quarantine partner for Vancouver on 19th June, Air India, Mumbai, Delhi and Vancouver. So it is pretty easy, right guys? So if you have same scenario, then you can collide with them and can join them, and yeah, of course it will be surely helpful. Now I have shown you this network, but here in the network section there are several sections as well. You don't want to know about ride, you don't want to know about other things. The what you wants to know, that search only that. Now like you can also filter your searches. Like I have did the old one, but here you can search for Toronto, here you can search for hotel quarantine. If you want hotel quarantine only, then you can search hotel quarantine, and the stuff related to hotel quarantine will represent in front of you. Travel partner, accommodation, quarantine, hotel, Pune, Toronto and like that, and you can search over here as well whatever you need to find out. So it is pretty easier than searching somewhere else. Now let me tell you how to create a post over here. Like here you can see there are several posts already present over here, but how to write your own post, how to make it. So it is pretty easier again. Here you need to go to this create post option, this one option, create post, and this create post option is pretty easier and convenient as well. You can make it like this. So next is create. Here good title is something which is going to be at the highlight. It will help you, right? So here you need to write a title. Let me write hotel quarantine. Alright, and now then next. And now you need to give a description. Description is this, where you are giving a description about your hotel quarantine. Then you can say I am traveling on 7. I'm just writing this only, but you have to give a brief description, because here I am just telling you how to do that. So now then next, here you can add a picture to this post or hit next to skip. Here you can add picture as well if you would like to, and if not then you can skip over here. It's totally up to you. Alright. So clear image. Wait, where is the option of skipping? Okay, here's the option at the end. When you come at the end of the page, you will get next option. So here's type. What type of post is this? Like at the top we are looking now. Wait, let me tell you one thing. This highlight, this is the ride, this is accommodation, this is this type. Here you need to write the type of your thing. And this one, this is the title. So the title which we wrote the very first is this one, and this is a type is this one which is highlighted over here. So you need to write, I was searching for hotel quarantine, right? So just search hotel quarantine and then next. And now what you need to do, now you have seen that there are the things by which people can contact you. Then you need to write over here. If you want to add your number over here, mention it. If not, go to next. Now city, please add city name to your post. Like I think searching is pretty easier. Yes, New Delhi, India. Let it be this. After selecting all this stuff, you can finish over here, but I would recommend you to give your mobile number if you want to, because it will be convenient. People over here are just to help you out or be in contact with you so that they can get benefit. So it's easy, it's pretty easy to be in contact, and like that you can finish over here, and then a post will be created and uploaded over here, and that is it. What you need to do is, so it is pretty easier to do each and every task. It is nothing difficult in doing all this stuff. Now come back to me. So guys, at the end, stay safe, stay healthy and stay connected.